Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them?
People who are going, you don't know one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what thing said. People, I am putting out a disclaimer. You want to hear some voice, which is the crux. You understand? Because of them I do the live stream. See, no distraction. See? So look, you know, you don't know Masicka performing in Germany, Summer Jam. You see me? But you don't know internet already. Them are going to clip out the best part in the performance and post it up on IG or in a TikTok. But you don't know Media Fox go to work, don't? Yeah, man. But all in the video, the same person who had live stream it, you know. You even call Alkaline name and I say, I saw Alkaline rent free in them head. But we could go in a video still. So this are the entrance. When Masicka walk on the stage, you don't know. Usual, they don't know song. Same like when him start down at the Grenada one. You understand? They don't know. So I go see what one. Is it? I know the worst thing, people. I always say this, brother. Brother, use them more. You have to understand that dancehall is when you go Germany love dancehall. Them love a beat. Them will rock to anything when it comes to dancehall beat, my G. Bro, they don't know one song way if you walk. You saw you walk out a while ago and the energy just... You have more better song than the dog. Like, they don't know entrance, my G. That don't make no sense, dog. You see me? But we're going to video, people.
In change of the six again. Nice.
You have to just understand, people. Those are the crooks, you understand? But you don't know Germany crowds here. Them love dancehall and you see me, once the energy there, yeah, rock. Them are gonna rock them and every little thing. But go in that video. Alright now, so you don't know this a Masicka and Dexter that blessings of a flow like a river. You understand? So we're going to a video and make you hear what. Go on. It's a big song in the people. And Dexter that performed earlier, you know. You see me, I just Masicka set this and him just forward on, is it? Alright, same thing, but this is not the crowd with the performance. Alright, no, you don't know. It's a crux of video, you know. So you have to see with him. You understand? But Masicka go tell you this. one thing with the Germany, you know. See? All if them don't know the song, once you give them the energy, yeah man, them are gonna move. So look at now people, that singer are mute. You understand? With Masicka. So we'll look so go on. People is a crux man, you know. He's a crux man. Man say Masicka job. Man say artist dash your mute to bombard the next song. That's why I got me G when song and a real hit song me G, you see me? You must just dash that because the crowd are just there, no energy, you see me?
Yo, sick of
So I'm going to sing Top Farm, you know, people. Yo, man, couldn't even just make it live, just go on and stop his singing, brother. Nobody now sing the song, my G. You understand? Jaja.
Hits, bro. Too much hits. Yeah, ready.
So you don't know this wait there people. I'm making you get a more better view. So look here now, you don't know Germany crowd, you have to give them energy. All when them don't know the song, you have to command them, you see me? Yeah, so you have to do it. So you might give the crowd that give good command. You see me? But they maybe don't know the song, but you don't know it go. Yes, people, so that are the clip, you see me? Yeah, man, that are the clip. You see, so look at now, I could go back in a video. So these are inner the crowd people with the same tyrant. So you see the crowd in at the back. You see me? The one when I show you that at the front of the crowd, I'm just show the video. But this are in at the crowd now at the back there, so.
Yeah, Masicka sing what a bam bam.
So me try to talk about people. Masicka sing what a bam bam. People, Masicka sing what a bam bam. Yo, Jano dog, yo, Jaja. You see when they don't, you see when hype up them artists when them they are Jamaica, me G. Man, they are Germany, I sing what a bam bam. And remember when I say, him are the goat, him are the new king. Jaja youth. But go on, him have to just go on, forget a little vibe with the crowd still. Alright, so I'm gonna sing 10 out of 10 you know. Alright, Jaja dog, 10 out of 10. Alright. Bruce, you're not really that type of song, you see me? Alright, star for us. You understand? Or fight for us or whatsoever. So this a feat you go perform, you know? You know, I say go with people. You know, when you go out there in the world, the reality I go show you, you know? So I'm gonna perform theme song on your Most Wanted. So comment section, what do you think about Most Wanted or the reaction there, so? You understand? Alright, so the next track now, Iman Shensia, It and Run. You don't know this is the biggest song when it comes to Spotify streams, is it? Ah boy. Bueno. I tell man say people, stop perform that song my G. Like, bro, I'm most Shensia sing the song my G. You just get a little piece, dog. Like, it don't even make no sense. And most of the time people must sing Shensia part. You understand? Make we hear next track. So the next track a title, so it's song name.
I don't feel like
people in the comment, what do you think about that song? Cause I don't know. Me there go and review. So that one in Rich Sex, you understand? Listen to that one here.
So, Tiro, I'm about to move back to the gang. Yeah. Go and pray. But from a distance.
Brother, you should have dashed that song the long time, G. So look at now people, them said this are the biggest song. Slip and slide. You understand? Yeah man, so make we hear what going with the slip and slide in Germany.
watch it, man. Watch it, man. Watch it, man.
Jaja. I wanna think people, cause you know I think people more than sing and you know big hit song this, you know I think people more than sing. You see me? Yeah man. So that song name Blessing Girl. You understand? I think a blessing it name. So this a star for us. With pop feature and popcorn.
Yes, yo, big tune.
Man just a big tune and the crowd just did it stand up now. I don't know. Jaja. So you know, so when he perform that song, yeah, you know, he might go put him man up and, you know, command the crowd, which is a good thing, you see me? So, but you don't know, he come to sing in the song. But just listen to what one video, you see it.
You know, you're talking this in here. You know, man. You're talking this in here. You know, man. You're talking this in here. You know, man. Everybody up.
So his member is a crux. I'm alone to sing.
Everybody, let's go.
So these are 20-matic people. Channel people. Yo. I will continue people. You see me? Have some faith. So that one in reverse time. People remember as a crux. So that one here jugs lad. Yo, man, tell you about them delusional coxer. Man said do them something in front of them Germany crowd. People, who not just watch the video, man know what I talk about. So I'm gonna sing Bossy now, the Bossy and the hit song what them say.
Go on again. You turn up right there, sir. Right here. And watch Alkaline Power on stage and flop. Right here, sir. The first time he ever came here. And now look at this. Real king of dance out there.
boss. Blood clot. We know nothing about this.
I'm a class of blood curve here. Sorry, honestly. Sorry. Good again, you. Sounding like shit. This, you know. I can imagine myself on the streets sounding like shit.
Alright now, so you know say anytime you see him perform Whites, you know say that I last song him a go sing. Cause you know him not really have a catalog like that. So every show where him go, cause I know now watch my video them, you know. Every show where him go, him have to end it with Whites. Any show you see him going, if he go sing Whites at first or early, you know that go. You understand? So you don't know him if you ask the phone light every little thing and you know get the crowd. But Whites a good song, you see me? Big song too, especially in the Europe part, you see me? So here we go on. So you know, see that part of them I go post on Instagram, you know them go already. Anytime you see him stoop to people, him tired. And him a blow shot. You understand? Yeah, man. Yo, dog. You don't know say some Masicka catalog go, me G. You don't know say if any man perform Whites, I hit that, me G. Anytime you hear Whites, I done it done. But the man have no song, me G. Where am I go perform it after Whites? What did they? You understand? Man, for just left the big song for the last moment. You understand? You don't really have no song like that.
What time should I start music? We outside said, all the time to swim, all I kitchen out, so they take shows of this out. Who you? I am the killer, I'm the killer, I'm the killer, I am the killer, I'm the killer, Rich out, what was that? We don't get started,
People, that's the crux, them king. You understand? That's the performance. Big up on yourself. Don't know one media facts funny up. That is it.